first breath out of the womb. We were all crying, you were screaming. It was our most beautiful tune. God needed mother in heaven. Suddenly it was just you and I felt so shattered and useless. If not for you, I'd have surely died. Yeah, it's a mountain when life changes forever. Your mom's love was such I felt erased. But someone had to feed and love you. Though overwhelmed, I did it face to face. Yeah, we did it face to face. Somehow we found enough that no matter what love, we've had it always. From little on up. You were reading and writing before your first day of school. You weren't afraid of the growing, and I felt so proud of you. Remember your first boyfriend? Knew no man could ever be enough. We talked the whole thing